Hello students and friends, today in this tutorial of Python we are learning that why everything in Python is an object. Remember one thing students, Python is a software implemented or created or written in C. Python is created in C language. When we create a variable, like here you can see I create a string variable here, and when we create a variable under the hood, the C language, which is called the cpython, create an object. And C is not a class based object oriented language. There we create object by a struct. You can see C create a struct like this. It's a simplified version of an object that the C under the hood in Python creates an object for a string. You can see here there are the lengths, there are the functions of this object. So the C under the hood, when we run the Python code, the C creates an object. You can see in detail by pausing the video and attaching all the methods in it. So if we see there is one method length, let's see how the length works. Length, print length function. Now this is the function of this string variable which is mentioned in this struct here. This is the pointer to that function. If I run this, you can see it give me the length. So there we have no primitive variable types in Python. Everything, whether it is a string, whether it is an integer, float, boolean, class, function, everything are object, because the C language in which the Python is written creates a class or a struct under the hood for every variable, for everything we create, every variable we create in the Python. So this is how everything in Python is an object. Thank you so much students.